Hey everyone, got another hard reset for you. Today we are going to do the Motorola One 5G Ace. If you have one of these, you have a pattern or password and you forgot what it is, you have to do a hard reset. I will show you how to do that. First thing you want to do is make sure the phone's off, and in this case it is. And then we want to hold the volume down and power button at the same time. So I'm going to hold volume down, hold volume power. And that gets us to a recovery menu. Just a reminder, guys, when you do a hard reset, you will delete everything off the phone. So if you have anything important on there, it's going to get deleted. Just keep that in mind. So when we get to this menu, what you want to do is use the volume button to scroll. You want to get to recovery mode, hit the power button. And once we're here, we have the no command screen right there. And to get out of this to the actual Android recovery, we want to hold power and tap volume up. And from here, we want to use the volume button to scroll, power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button again. Now it's deleting. Should finish up here shortly. Should take you right back to that Android recovery menu that we just saw a second ago. And then from there, you're able to either power off the phone or turn it off, or to restart it. Here we go. And there, so there's you can reboot it, but I'm going to just power it off in this situation. If you do reboot it, it just loads to the welcome screen. You can set it up how it was when it was new. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, you could like, share, subscribe. Appreciate all that. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.